Hey everyone! Today we're gonna do a 3-minute easy and quick neck massage that will reduce neck wrinkles and tension. First move is neck and ears massage. Put one hand on your neck and the other over your ears. Start to massage and move upwards slowly and smoothly for 20 seconds. This easy massage will open lymph nodes and release neck tension. It will also warm up neck muscles. For the next move, without releasing your hands, start to turn your head and look over your shoulder for 10 times. Keep your hands on your neck and your ears. Try to stretch your neck and feel the lift in your jawline and your neck area. This move will strengthen your neck muscles and give you a younger looking neck. And for the last move, with one hand, move onto your scalp and lift your head's skin slightly up. With the other hand, start to massage back of your neck and your shoulder. Keep doing this for 20 seconds. Be gentle on your scalp and don't pull your hair. Try to feel all over your neck and muscles. With this move, you're gonna release any tension and reduce toxins through opening up the lymph nodes. Move to the other side and repeat all 3 moves for the other side as well. With this easy massage, you're gonna improve circulation and lymphatic drainage in the neck area. As a result, more oxygen and nutrients reach the skin, and they will help the skin to appear brighter and healthier. This easy stretch will reduce tension that contributes to wrinkles. Chronic tension in the neck and jaw that are the cause of phone use or posture can deepen horizontal neck lines or take neck. This simple stretch relieves muscle tightness, promotes relaxation and better posture. As a result, it will reduce wrinkle formation. This easy massage on the back of your neck will promote collagen production and boost blood circulation. It will strengthen your neck muscles. As a result, it will prevent sagging neck from poor posture. So this was it for today's video. With this easy routine, you're gonna strengthen and lift your neck area. Hope it was helpful. See you next video. Bye.